15th of November. It's the ARC2023 costume party, and everybody's just getting in the mood.
By the time the 15th of November had rolled around and the costume party was in full swing, Justine and Paul's days had been jam-packed with activities, including visiting the Marina office to collect their access passes, visiting the immigration office to get stamped into the European Union, attending the various seminars pre-arranged for them, and taking part in the onboard safety debrief, conducted by myself, and to ensure they felt comfortable with all the emergency equipment and procedures before setting sail. Their life jackets were checked, the personal locator beacons were programmed and fitted. They were set up to use the at-sea Iridium Go satellite communications equipment on board, ensuring all the emergency contact telephone numbers were transferred to each of their smartphones, following which various tests were undertaken so they knew how to make a phone call as well as to send and receive emails and messages. Then, starting with the life raft and grab bag, they hauled both out of the dedicated locker, primarily to feel the weight of each and to satisfy the ARC criteria that the crew can remove the life raft to be deployed if necessary within 15 seconds, following which the additional emergency food and rations were added to the grab bag. Discussions took place on the procedures involved should abandoning ship become necessary and discussing the emergency steering system. Next, they undertook a treasure hunt around Pawpaw to find the rest of the safety equipment, armed with a laminated card indicating the location of each. Working their way through Pawpaw, they lifted floorboards, bunks, lockers, etc. to find the equipment and receive instruction on how each was to be used and under what circumstances, delegating responsibilities as we progressed. Topics covered everything from man overboard realities, hazards, procedures, and rules to avoid this situation entirely, fire prevention and procedures, water ingress, demasting, and medical emergencies and avoidance. While for us it was vital that we kept our guests as safe as possible during the crossing, the expectation that they were to take responsibility and ownership of their own actions was clearly conveyed as well. It wasn't all work and no play though, as interspersed with their activities we enjoyed the ARC crew dinner and of course the superheroes costume party. Sadly, Justine and Paul didn't attend the party after Paul fell ill suddenly and moved off Pawpaw. This did, however, send Roy and I into a panic, in wondering what this meant for the rest of us and the possible impact on our imminent departure. A COVID-19 test revealed a negative result, so all we could do was take each day as it came and hope that Paul would make a speedy recovery without having infected anyone else. A slight alarm occurred that afternoon, though, when I headed back to bed for an afternoon nap, after suddenly feeling extremely fatigued during the morning seminar we all had attended. Panic really set in when I woke from my nap, feeling absolutely dreadful. Thankfully, when I woke again later, I felt as right as rain, clueless as to why I'd felt so terrible earlier. It was a real pity that Justine and Paul couldn't attend the party, because it was an enchanting evening, with everybody going to a great deal of trouble with their costumes. It was also a night I won't forget in a hurry, after someone I didn't know sat down next to me to tell me that, as far as he was concerned, I was the superhero of everyone at the party, and that I had inspired many people on this rally after following our blog over the years. What a lovely compliment to receive.
Whoa! Oh, that's nice. Okay. Oh, a little bit chilly. Right, let's do this. Good for the heart rate. Water a 10k. Run. Good. It's good. It's good. Power of the mind. It's great. Actually, it is really nice. Okay, we can turn it
Okay,
off.
so today is the 16th of November. We're out doing our rock painting.
Thank you.
Paul is on FaceTime as he spent last night. He'll spend tonight again in a hotel because he hasn't been well. Roy's creating the backdrop.
You know, like when you're in a fire and no matter where you go, the smoke comes towards you?
Yeah, like a barbecue, right?
Oh, wow. Like kale and stuff. That sounds lovely.
So Justina's just talking to Paul there.
I think I should keep some to paint my toilet seat.
I can't get involved.
Justine's taking the diplomatic route.
Exactly what I said. Go around the outside and make it white square and put this in the middle, and I was vetoed, and now I'm asked, well, why aren't I doing that?
It's fine, leave it.
I should have painted. You already
Now that
do.
that's out of the way, we're actually doing the square that we thought was the original design.
There you go.
Okay, now we've just got a few bits to fill in.
I like the square.
I'm not even watching.
Don't we have to get a license for this, Elaine? Otherwise it's vandalism.
You know what, at the state of this city, I don't think it matters. Okay, I think our square is done.
Yeah, you put the names on the four corners.
Yeah, would it be like a fountain pen or something to do that? Would you do that with paint?
No, we'd have to go back and get the token pen.
Completely forgot about that.
Rubber.
Okay, here's the moment of truth.
That was one blue flip-flop.
It's a lovely template, Elaine.
Thanks. Took me a while to make it.
Right?
It took me a while to make it. But because you got to think of the inverse.
Good job.
Do you know what the little boat is? It's our stamp, our yacht stamp. That's what the design is. I'll
Your
show you
what stamp?
our yacht stamp.
Oh.
That's what the design. Oh, going all over the place. That's what the design is.
Okay, I think that's it.
Okay.
Now lift this before it sticks. Oh, wow.
Oh, that looks awesome.
Oh, here we go.
A little bit runny on the sides.
It's fine.
We'll bring a brush and touch it up.
No, we don't need to.
It's 'cause
Woohoo!
We'll wait for the white to dry properly. Too much blue.
Today is the 16th of November. This morning we did our rock painting. And now Justine and Paul are going to participate in the life raft demonstration, which is a survival at sea seminar that the ARC is providing. And there they are in the pool, ready and waiting. And we're just here to observe because we did this in Hamble years ago. So more observers have arrived. And it's getting so crowded in here. I don't know how they're going to get 700 people in. But anyway, maybe most of them have done this training already in Hamble.
But first of all, please children, if you could just get out of the pool, I would be very grateful. Well away from the edge. You will be allowed back in to play my life raft and see if you can destroy it later. Just a few house rules to begin with is these. Please stay away from the edges, no pushing in the pool, all of those sort of things. The plastic surrounding of the pool is very fragile, as my beautiful helper here demonstrates. He's not allowed to break it. If you're using the sun loungers, when you finish, please could you push them back to the edge of the pool? And I think that's about it. Whoa, a little further away from the edge, please children, right the way back. So we'll start off in a moment of launching the life raft. Then we will go into some dry boarding. So they're not particularly bright, these two, sometimes. So, gentlemen, would you like to launch the life raft? And it's a nice sunny day today. 1, 6. There's just one slight problem here. We do require you to tie the life raft on. But my little helpers here are not very good sometimes. And that's the importance of it, really. But fortunately, yeah, the string tied around the ankle helps this to get it back. To 15, maybe even 25 meters long. And you have to keep pulling and pulling and pulling. This is quite easy at this point. And yeah, this is the easy bit. Normally you'll see the life raft going downwind away from the boat. Whoa! Well, that was interesting, wasn't it? Yeah, I must point out, this is the life raft that we have condemned before. So, again, the importance here is having a decent life raft that's properly serviced. But at least it does have some sort of canopy, and probably the most primitive form of trying to get into the life raft known to man.
So this is the next part of the demonstration, and I think Christine and Paul are in there somewhere. Just can't spot them.
Can you all hold your nose for me? Brilliant. The other arm, you're going to put it across the chest and hold the life jacket. And then we're going to do this in an orderly fashion. You're going to step for mankind into the pool. And avoid the edge, so it's a big step. Are you ready? Nose, arm across, number 1, go. Excellent. Stop. Number 2, nose, arm, go. 3, arm, nose, go. So now we've got Will in the middle, who's going to organise them. So he's going to make a circle. So you're grabbing the arms, interlinking, or the life jackets. And this is, and then perhaps you might put the smallest or the coldest one in the middle. You can see they're well organised now. Hold the nose. Arm over life jacket. Try and mind that white plastic. Whoa, hold the life jacket. Nose. Life jacket. Oh. Oh, do remember to hold that arm over the life jacket. No water required for that life raft.
Oh, there we are. Perfect. Yes. Very good.
very cozy in that 6-man, 8-man life raft. And there they are. Okay, we'll go back to this lot.
Right, grounding the people in the
Underneath
life
Justine is
raft.
in
It
amongst
also
that.
washes
I
the life
can't really
raft.
see Paul, so so this is the crocodile move, which is standard for getting into a life raft. It keeps the whole crew together, and they just keep going until
the life raft like by either putting your finger in or actually turn the cap upside down and put it on. That's how you do like. Yeah. So put the cap, put your finger in, or you put the cap in upside down. There's a little novel on the top of the cap. That's what it's called.
oh right, this lot's are about to get into the life raft while the others are getting out. They come around to the life raft.
So more of you who would like to come and put a life jacket on and go for a swim in the pool, please come up. Now we have some spare life jackets.
Y ahora mismo, yo estaba pensando, ahora mismo los animales que las personas.
Now you know why you never want to end up in a life raft. It's truly the last resort.
You get the full experience, Remus.
Getting water landing on them, trying to make waves. And usually this kind of thing happens in the dark, in the most dreadful weather, that would cause you to have to abandon ship. I'm so busy watching them, I'm not actually keeping my video straight. Okay, there's another lot lining up, and I think Paul might be amongst.
Right, and now we have the next willing victims, don't we? And our team in the pool's talking amongst themselves, deciding how they can make your life more difficult. Right, now you know the routines, you've seen it all. Those, arm over the life jacket, make sure you're holding that life jacket when you step. So from my end, one at a time, go. Oh, we're getting better at this. We might even be good by the end of the day. Hold that nose, hold the life jacket. Oh, much better.
Next lot in. And Paul's amongst them, and the rest of them are now getting out of their very cozy life raft. And of course, if you're getting rescued by a
Oh, I
cargo
like
ship,
that. What an exit from the
you've got to get out the life
there.
raft,
Especially
get to the
from
cargo net, climb up
Whoops,
the
and you
side
saw
of the
that
cargo
one, the
ship.
importance of crotch strap.
So this lot over here are getting their instruction again, and then they'll do the crocodile swim to the life raft and repeat. Okay, they're starting their crocodile swim.
Yeah, there you go.
No pushing.
We're all together. Right.
And you cover yourself up to try to keep the inside of the life raft dry, although there's lots of water in it by now. Good few inches that you sit in, and you've got to bail it all out. And that's to stop the breaking waves landing into the inside of the life raft. Give them a bit of a rock there so they get the feel of what it's like. Water coming in everywhere. Bailing out of that life raft. You can talk.
Talk. Chinese.
I'm going to keep all of this.
Laundry day. Surviving at sea day, getting onto a raft. Next time, laundry day, getting ready for the preparation on Sunday. So as you can see, making sure that we all look pristine to be wearing the same clothes for the next 3 weeks. We don't want to do laundry day again.
Side of the fence, we have the start of our fresh produce provisioning, thanks to Captain Roy, who's just got back. So he's going to head off to the SSB radio debrief seminar or debrief session, and Elaine's going to sanitize all this stuff, and we're going to start chopping for our meals. Today is Friday the 17th of November. 2 more sleeps before we depart on our last passage. All the fresh provisioning's been done. This was this morning's haul for just the fruit and a few more vegetables. Yesterday all the vegetables were done. Today we got a bit more just to top up, and Pawpaw's almost ready to go. We've just got a pre-sale checklist to get through, and everything's been tidied, almost put in its place. So the crew, as you'll see if I come around, have all found their spot in the quiet time. There's Justine over there. There's Saul over there. Quiet time. By Saturday the 18th of November, although we were 1 man down, everything that needed to be done on Pawpaw had been done. Upon Paul's return, having determined he probably wasn't contagious anymore, he treated us to a delicious meal, preceded by sundowners on Pawpaw. Brilliant. Gracias, thank you. You guys are going to enjoy that.
Oh, yeah.
I love paella. And they do it so nicely, present it so beautifully.
Gracias.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Delicious.
This is from my Google guide.
Gracias. Muy bien.
Thank you. Thank you. Brilliant, guys. Cheers. Bon appetit. All that remained was for Justine and Paul to get cleared out of Shenzhen with immigration and complete the pre-sale checklist, for me to clear us all out with the ARC, and for Roy and I to attend the skipper's debrief. A relaxing evening while enjoying a barbecue on board brought another few hectic days to a close. We were ready to set sail. With everybody awake early on Sunday morning, the 19th of November, clearly nerves and excitement had got to all of us. A hearty breakfast got our departure day off on the right foot.